Hello, it's Mark with TVT America. You can find us at tvtamerica.com. Today I'm demonstrating a TVT smooth motor with integral brake for washdown applications. Normally the drive would be mounted to the motor like this, with the cover on top. In this case, on the test bench, we just have the drive laid out so I can show you all the components and what's going on. First is our washdown motor, sealed here, torque adjustments here. This is the washdown boot, keeps water out of the brake mechanism. This is a 205 volt DC brake. It's rated, consumes 20 watts, which is not a whole lot of power, but it controls the torque for this motor. The motor, we make these up to 1.5 horse size in the same frame. This one happens to be a 230 400 volts 50 hertz motor. Right now it's wired in the delta configuration with the bars up and down. Our 3-phase is being supplied by the VFD and the black, white, and green wires here going off, and back to the IGBT and the drive. These I've jumpered into our brake circuit, which is the 205 volts. To create the 205 volts, you're going back to this full bridge rectifier. This rectifier is wired such that it's one leg is being powered by this 115 volt line that's single phase coming from our test power supply. The other leg is coming off of the white, goes to this red spike that's being fed to the common on a relay that's on our Mark 207A option board. The other side of the AC power that's going to the rectifier is on the normally open side of this relay. Now we've programmed the drive such that on run it'll energize the relay. When it energizes the relay, it'll release the brake and allow the drive to operate. And then on stop, the drive will decelerate and come to a complete stop. When it stops, the brake will the relay will open, removing power from the brake, and the spring will engage the brake. So in a lifting application, there would be zero back drive in either instance. The brake will completely lock the motor in place. All right, ready for a demonstration. Now we've programmed for a 10-second acceleration, so it's going to take 10 seconds to reach 50 hertz. Once at 50 hertz, we'll run for a few seconds, then we'll press stop, and we'll come to a complete stop. On the run and the stop, I'm going to have you listen for the brake, and so you can appreciate what's going on. All right, here we go. Now for the stop. All right, for a closer view of the brake while it's running, so maybe you can hear it better. Here's the run. Listen for the click. From the drive perspective, the motor. Okay, there you have it. Now, let's give you kind of a close-up of our relay. And the relay is rated 2 amps, 130 volts. I'm sorry, 3 amps, 130 volts, 3 amps, 24 volts. So 3 times 24 is 72, so it's 72 watts. Our brake is rated at 20 watts, so there's almost a 4x service factor on that. And it's pretty compact and simple. You can see the size of my hand. This is a 1.5 horse drive, single board, except for the option board. It's very simple, very reliable. The motor itself is a washdown motor, completely smooth. And anyway, for questions, you can call us 866-285-5055. That's for the engineering department. Or you can email engineering@tvtamerica.com, and or visit us online at tvtamerica.com, TVT America at Facebook, and so on. Thank you for your time and attention. Today is 22 September 2018.